Hello friends, in today's video, we will explore kitchen vocabulary along with their respective usage, and you will see their pictures too. So let's start. Cutting board. It is used for chopping and slicing vegetables, fruits, etc. Chef's knife. It is primary tool for cutting and chopping in the kitchen. Salt. It quickly cooks food in a small amount of oil over high heat. Boil. It cooks food in hot water or liquid at boiling temperature. Grate. It is used to shred food into small pieces using a grater. Whisk. It is used to beat or stir ingredients rapidly with a wire whisk. Mixing bowl. It is a container for combining ingredients. Rolling pin. It is used to flatten and shape dough for baking. Mincer. It is used to chop food into very small pieces. Zest. It is outer peel of citrus fruits, used to add flavor. Colander. It is used for draining and rinsing food, such as pasta or vegetables. Ladle. It is a spoon with a long handle, used for serving soups or stews. Sauté pan. It is wide, shallow pan with a handle, used for sautéing. Blancher. It briefly cooks food in boiling water, then cool quickly. Strainer. It is used to separate liquid from solid components of a mixture. Griddle. It is a flat cooking surface, often used for pancakes or burgers. Tongs. It is a utensil with two arms and a pivot, used for gripping and flipping food. Baster. It is used to pour juices or melted fat over food during cooking. Slotted spoon. It is a spoon with slots or holes, used for draining liquids. Pastry brush. It is a brush used for applying butter, egg wash, or glaze. Julienne peeler. It is used to cut vegetables or fruits into thin, matchstick-sized strips. Skillet. It is used for frying pan with sloping sides, used for frying or sautéing. Peeler knife. It is a tool used to remove the outer skin of fruits and vegetables. Parchment paper. It is non-stick paper used for baking and cooking. Muddler. It is used to crush or mash ingredients, often used for cocktails. Pastry cutter. It is a tool with blades used to cut fat into flour for pastry dough. Serrated knife. It is a knife with a saw-like edge, suitable for cutting bread or tomatoes. Mandolina. It is a slicing tool with adjustable blades for cutting thin slices. Trusser. It is used to tie poultry with kitchen twine to maintain its shape while cooking. Microplane. It is used for grating tool for zesting citrus, grating cheese, and spices. Pasta maker. It is a machine for rolling and cutting pasta dough into various shapes. Fillet knife. It is a thin, flexible knife used for filleting fish or deboning meat. Melon baller. It is a tool for scooping out round or oval-shaped pieces of melon. Mortar and pestle. It is used to grind and mix ingredients, especially spices and herbs. Ramekin. It is a small, individual-sized oven-proof dish for baking or serving. Pot holder. It is a thick cloth or pad used to handle hot pots and pans. Kitchen scale. It is a device for measuring the weight of ingredients. Double boiler. It is a two-layered cooking pot, with the upper pot fitting into the lower pot.